Changing the filter for your Mirka DEXOS dust extractor, let me show you how to. But first thing first, let's make sure that the dust extractor is powered off and unplugged from the electrical outlet. These are the clips that secures the top portion in place. You lift these up and unclip them. Now we can move this aside. Twist the filter fastening clips and carefully remove the filter. Here you might have accumulated dust and debris. Replace with new filter. Slide the new filter into the compartment and lock the fastening clips in place. And don't forget to inspect and replace your filter every now and then to maintain optimal performance on your dust extractor. And when it comes to your old filter, please dispose it according to your local regulations. And that's how you change the filter on your DEXOS dust extractor.